Yo, yo, yo! It's me again, Kachow! So, this will be a quick one. We have a new event, and let's focus on this one first. So, times 2 reward on track and arms race, and 20 players can grab the treasures for this week. But this will be our main focus for this video. So, since there is a times 2, don't settle for just 1 or 2 shards for your UR tracks. So, 3 Sarge times 2 is kind of good for me, kind of enough. But I highly suggest you refresh all your tracks until you get a reindeer track so you can get more choices for your weapon shards. Okay? So never mind those refresh tickets. Just refresh it so you can farm more choices shards for this week. Okay? That's it. Bye-bye.